Hey, what's up guys, this is Kev and you're watching Noise Tech. Android Pie has arrived and it has some great features. And in this video, we'll be talking about the tips and tricks that you can have on your Android Pie. These tricks will be mostly relevant to every Android Pie device. And some will be only to the stock Android devices such as the Nokia 6.1 Plus or other devices running stock Android. So guys, let's get started. Camera is the biggest issue for most of the people right now. I mean, those who are using a mid-range device such as a Nokia 6.1 Plus, I mean, it has a great camera, but in some of the other places it gets knocked out. So you could use the Google camera on your phone. The Google camera with the night sight feature is a great addition, and I can tell you, you will love it. This is a great feature. The Google camera brings some great improvements over your camera. Everybody knows that the Pixel's camera is great, and that's all because of its software. That is what the Google camera is all about. The software used on the Google camera is very good, and you will get a modded APK for the Google camera in the link in the description below. Yes, it has been provided by XDA developers, so you don't need to worry a lot and you can download it. It will be compatible on some devices and on some devices it will not be compatible. So if you're lucky enough, it will surely work for you. The second one we have is lockdown. This is an underrated feature. So what does lockdown do? It basically disables your fingerprint option. Yes, you cannot unlock your phone with a fingerprint. How is that a very good feature? Suppose you're sleeping, someone comes on, takes your phone, uses your fingerprint to unlock the phone. What will you be doing? This is where the lockdown feature is a great addition. You could disable the fingerprint option, and then the only thing you can use to unlock your phone is the password. Yes, without entering the password you cannot unlock the phone. The lockdown feature is good in these conditions. Now the next time you use the lock button, your phone will be locked normally. If you want to enable the lockdown feature, you have to keep holding the power button, and after that you get the lockdown option. Just select it and then you are done. This is a very good feature and I can tell you, you will surely like it. Now we have a smart reply in Google Messages. You could download the Google Messaging app and then you're done. So what is smart reply? A lot of you guys would have heard about the Google Reply, which was released last year. In 2018, an app known as Google Reply was launched. And what that app would do, it would give you suggestions while chatting with your friends. It'll give you chat suggestions. This is the same feature which is now integrated on Android Pie on Google Messaging app. Suppose you're chatting with someone, the person says thank you, you will get a suggestion, you're welcome. The fourth feature is digital well-being. Now this feature is mostly present on the stock Android devices. So what this feature does is it tracks your daily activities. What time you're spending on calls or on messages, WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and stuff. Yes, it will give you a time management or a time of what time you've spent on a particular app. What you've been doing throughout the day, so that you know that you've been on this app for a very long time and you have to control yourself. There's another feature that is wind down. So in wind down, this will basically enable the grayscale or the night mode or the do not disturb mode at a particular time of the day. I've set my time from 11 PM to 7 AM. Yes, at this time, it will go into a grayscale mode such as a black and white display, and it will enable the do not disturb and also the night mode. This is a very good feature and should be present on most of these devices. I mean, it is present on stock Android devices right now, but I hope that this comes to other devices as well. Now the fifth feature is notification setting. Yes, this is a very good feature. Apps such as Myntra, Flipkart, they get some great notification settings. So when you go into notification settings of these particular apps, you have settings such as alerts and subscription, discount deals and sale, feedback and review, order and payments, and other personalized settings. So you can get notifications or you can disable notifications of a particular app. If you don't want the alerts and subscription notifications, you can keep them off. And only the order and payments, you can enable this one and you can disable all the other settings. You will not get any spam notifications from these particular apps. So this is a very good setting and is present on every Android Pie device. Now we have is the dark mode on the phone and the messages app. These two apps will be having a dark mode option in the setting. If you go in your phone app, you will be having a setting to enable the dark mode. Also there's a setting for dark mode in the messages app as well. Suppose you're using a non-stock Android device such as OnePlus or Samsung, you could enable the dark theme and then you're done. So this is also a very good feature. So guys, these are the top 6 tips and tricks for Android Pie. These are some great tricks and you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching guys, because that really helps. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you in the next one.